Water is an essential thing in our body. Now, 70% of our cell by weight is of water. So, it is very, very essential for our body. And whenever we are talking about water, so our body is 70% of water. It does not help in any type of digestion or anything, but it keeps everything hydrated, and as a byproduct, it is very, very high in our body. So, a slight misfunction, a slight change in its quantity in our cell may lead to us getting faint or getting out dizziness and our health very, very depleting, and many more. But do you know water intoxication is a thing? What happens in water intoxication is that whenever water intoxication occurs, a person drinks too much of water. Too much of water is inhaled by a person, drunk by a person without having sufficient minerals. So water takes over the nerves and everything, and the minerals are lost because they are not in the body. So water intoxication occurs if you drink too much water. Similarly, you can get tea poisoning if you drink too much tea. So that's the thing. And whenever we are talking about this thing, so water is essential. You know what is more essential? Fibers. As I told in the previous video that we are going to understand about fibers in today's video. So, what are fibers? Fibers are the thing that are obtained from potatoes and various cereals. But how are fibers necessary? Because we all know that fibers are not digested. So, a food stuff which is not digested, how is it useful in our body? So let me tell you, it is very, very useful because there's a lot of food product in our body that are not digested. In previous time, as humans were meant to eat veggies. We were meant to eat veggies and we ate veggies. We did eat veggies, and that led to a good amount of digestion. But in today's time, when we are eating something, then we are eating junk food and food stuff that we were not meant to eat. Processed food, junk food, oily food, and starch related food, a lot of stuff which we were not meant to eat as our evolution. But we eat that. So these food product, a lot of food product do not get digested, and the one that does not get digested is need to be ejected. So here come the fibers. The fibers do not get digested but are useful for the ejection of undigested food products in your stomach. So you need fibers in your body continuously, because if there's not a large amount of fiber is not really healthy, but a sufficient amount of fiber is necessary, because if you do not get fiber in your body, then ejection of not digest food would not occur, and it would lead to stomach pain, stomach ache, and food poisoning, and many more. A lot of things could occur. This is everything about fibers and food product. I hope you understand. Thank you.